everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. Today I have an exciting opportunity from Wipro Limited. If you're a student or a fresher looking to enter the IT industry, this could be your big break. The Sky Fund goes up to 30k per month depending on the role. Let's quickly go through all the important details. This internship is for the L0 Intern position. You may be assigned to technology, operation, or business support team. The duration usually ranges from 2 to 6 months depending on the project. You will get the real corporate exposure and work on live tasks. This is not just a training but a practical experience. To apply, you must be an undergraduate or the postgraduate student or a recent graduate. Students from computer science, IT, electronics, mechanical, and even business streams can apply. Most roles require around 60% or equivalent CGPA. Strong communication skills are important and you must be authorized to work in India. Now, let's talk about the Sky Fund. Technical intern can expect between 15 to 30k per month. Business or the support intern may receive up to 10 to 20k per month. Exact Sky Fund depends upon the teams and the project. Even beyond money, the brand value of Wipro adds a huge weightage to your resume. As an intern, you will support your project team. Your task may include documentation, reporting, and research work. Some roles may involve basic testing and quality checks. You may attend the team meetings and collaborate with professionals. This helps you understand the real corporate workflows. To increase your chances of selection, focus on the programming fundamentals. Basic knowledge of SQL and database is important. Cloud basics like AWS, Azure are an added advantage. Strong analytical thinking will help you during your interviews, and of course, a good communication skills are important. The selection process starts with an online application. After that, your resume will be shortlisted. Some rules include an online aptitude or the technical test. Then you will attend a technical interview followed by a HR round. If selected, you will receive the internship offer letter. Doing an internship at Wipro gives you exposure to the global MNC environment. You improve both technical and soft skills. You gain corporate experience before graduation. It increases your chance of getting the full-time job and it makes your resume more stronger. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. To apply, visit the official Wipro career website. Create your candidate profile if you don't have one. Upload your updated resume with projects and skill. Submit the application carefully and keep checking your emails for further update. I have also attached the Wipro job link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow Grad to Corporate for daily job and internship update. Share this video with your friends who are looking for opportunity. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comment. Let's grow together and start your corporate journey.